Hi, this is LG G7 feed and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So open first the settings app and switch network to the display. Here you'll see AOD section, just tap on it. Tap on the section and you could switch here the just stem of the AOD option. You could switch digital clock to analog one, to dual, to set a signature. Let's just check the calendar and to use other images. So let's just select one from them. I'll use, for example, the calendar. Oh no, just let's use analog clock. So we could switch here the type of the clock, and also we could switch the color of the clocks. Tap to save. If you want to save the changes, we could use here the quick tools and music player switcher, and also we could here set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use the brighter display. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our LG device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.